Good morning, guys, coming to you from underneath Helen. This morning we are scrubbing down the chassis, getting rid of all the oxidisation off the aluminium so we can protect it with the scotch.
Right, so what we've been using for underneath the truck, I don't know if you can see this, come a bit closer. This is our Scotch underbody that we've been using. It's like a bitumen based paint for underneath the vehicle. We've been using that, we've been loading up our Scotch gun and then using our compressor that we managed to find on, was it Facebook, Carl?
Yes, it was, yeah. Facebook Marketplace.
Found it on Facebook Marketplace. Absolute bargain. Can't even remember how much we paid for it now. I think it was 50 quid. 50 quid for the compressor that's probably worth a couple of hundred, and the guy just wasn't using it. So, one piece of advice really for anyone who's doing a build is shop about on Facebook Marketplace. You're going to come across so many things that you're going to get a fraction of the price of what you'd be paying brand new. And the plan with this, once I'm done with it, is I'll just sell it on again. I'll clean it up, make sure it's nice, everything will work. We'll just sell it on again. I'm not going to need it anymore. So I'm probably going to use it for coating up the underneath of the truck with the scotch like we're doing now, and then probably spraying the cab when we come to respraying the front, which is something I'd really like to do. But after that, I haven't really got a use for it. Oh, we was using it when we've been scrubbing underneath as well. We've been using it for just having the air hose connected up and blowing out all of the dust, all the rust, all the muck, all the stuff off the road that we've scraped off basically. So yeah, that's where we are right now, being scrubbers. Carl, I think it's time for a brew, don't you?
Yes, mate. It's brew o'clock.
Just while it's brew time, guys, just a quick one from me. We've got so many people that are watching our videos, thousands of views so far, but very, very few of them are actually subscribing to the channel. So if I could just ask you from the bottom of my heart just to pop on there quickly, hit the subscribe button. That'd help us out so much. Thank you very much. Anyway, enough of that. Let's get back to work. So we're underneath the truck, and you can see some bits are already coated up over there, over this end now. We've got a little bit more scrubbing to do. Clean all this up. Going further forward, bit of cleaning up to do. See if we can get you further underneath. It's a bit of a tight squeeze. Not really going to touch that, I don't think. Maybe just give it a that plate probably. Give it a little seeing too. But you can see leaf springs over the other side. They're rusty, so we'll scrub all the surface rust off. And we'll give it a coat up, and we'll get a little bit further forward with it through today. But chassis like this on this side will be the same on the other. So let's get scrubbing. Here we are, we're a bit more zoomed out here, and you can see all coated up, looking good. Same with the floor's all coated up. Leaf spring all coated up. All the way down to the front end over there. We'll come under this chassis here. This is the other side. Bit dark. Yeah. All going well. Can't we scrubber?
How you doing? Just grab these gloves. Pete, I've got your gloves, mate. Pete! The bloody hell's he gone?
You alright, dog?
Yeah, mate.
Oh, you're getting the scotch ready?
Scotch. Yeah. 2 minutes of shaking.
Hi everyone, thank you again for tuning in to Helen the Horsebox to see our progress on the truck. Today we managed to complete entirely all of the underbody work that needed to be done. So Helen is now all coated up and protected against the elements for many, many years to come. Thank you again, your support is very much appreciated. Please join us for the next episode, which will be us laying the floor inside Helen.